Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to make your dock larger in Mac. So for example, if you do not like the size of the icons, if for example they are too small, maybe you have a very big display, or maybe for whatever reason the docks you've been adding icons and they look too small and you want to increase the size of the dock itself. This is how you do it, especially if you move it to one of those sides, right or left, and you don't like the size, you can actually adjust it. All right, so go to Apple logo, you're gonna go to system settings, you're gonna go to desktop and dock. Right up here, mine is usually in the middle, but to have the greater effect I'm gonna max it out. All right, so you can see that according to the resolution it won't get much bigger. So for my screen, smack in the middle here is okay. But to show you that it actually changes things, let's say you want to make it small. You notice how small it is now. So I could make it very small. All right, so you see that it works. So bigger display would be more pronounced. So as for me, I'll keep it right in the middle here. But let's say you place it somewhere else and you want to get a little bit more width, especially on a bigger TV. That's what you do. And of course, that's how to adjust the size of the dock on your Mac, and that's the latest version of Mac. All right, so that's Tahoe, and see you in the next one, guys. Do hope this was useful. Bye.